Hey everyone, so Seth and I are just out running errands and I just stopped to grab Starbucks. I'm getting the apple crisp latte, iced. I don't know, but my friend Kenya shared it on her Instagram and I was like, ooh. And then my friend Keiko shared it and I was like, ooh. So now I'm getting one. Iced apple crisp macchiato. So that's what I'm trying today. Seth, do you want something?
Oh yeah.
What do you want?
Croissant.
Croissant, that's it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And water.
And water?
Yeah.
Croissant. A straw. Thank you. All right, let's see what this apple crisp. Ooh, that's good.
Is it cinnamon?
That's really good.
Is it cinnamon?
No, it's not really cinnamony, but you can definitely taste the apple.
That's what I thought too.
That's good. So, there's another drink for you guys, especially those who are not, if you're not a pumpkin spice lover, try this. I haven't tried it hot. This is my first time trying it.
Cold?
Yeah. But iced, it's really good. Alright guys, so we are back home now. And I thought I would go ahead and share with you all how I'll be organizing Sefton's clothes while I'm gone. I got 5 bins, one for each day of the week. And this is something that I'll continue even once I'm home with the baby, because that'll make things much easier for me at that point. And so I was going to wait to do this. I was going to wait till next week to do it, but I figured I'll go ahead and do it now since all of his laundry is done, and I can go ahead and kind of just start at least showing you how I plan on putting all of the outfits in the bins. So that's what I'm going to share with you all today. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything. I think I'm just gonna do it in here in my room because he's in his room, and it'll just be too noisy. I'll bring everything in here and then I'll share it with you all. All right guys, so I have my labels. These are my bins. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this assembled. right, guys, so I got everything organized in the bins, and I did let him choose the outfits that he wanted to wear for the week. I just placed them in the appropriate bins. Now, obviously, if Monday comes and he wants to wear Wednesday outfit, that's fine. I'm okay with that. But just wanted to have a little organization, especially with having a newborn baby in the household. This will make things so much easier. Sefton can dress himself just fine. He's just not the best at kind of like putting things together yet, so this just makes it easier for him. So because it's still warm here, I did do shorts and t-shirts for the week. Added some socks and his underwear, and that's it. Boys are super easy. They just need fresh haircuts and shorts and t-shirts, and they're good to go. No bows, barrettes, or anything like that. So super simple. But I just wanted to come on and share this with you all because I do know I have a lot of moms here, and I just thought that this would be helpful for you guys. You know, with the new school year starting and all of our kids are back in school now. He does have a zip-up hoodie that he keeps in his book bag that he takes to school because he says sometimes it gets cold in the classroom. And so what he does, he leaves that in his cubby during the week, and then he brings it home on Friday so I can wash it. So that is in his so that's in his book bag. But other than that, he is all set. And yeah. So yeah, guys, I hope you all found that helpful. Few of you did mention a few things that you do for your small children in your household, so I thought that was cool. Someone mentioned the hanging little organizers that you can put in the closet. Thought that was a really great idea. That's a great way to save space as well. But I ultimately decided to go with the bins so that I can just kind of move them around when I want, and I can also use these for other things later on down the road. But this is a great start, so we will continue this throughout the school year. Like I said, with me having a newborn in the household, it's just going to make things so much easier. I don't have to go in and pick out outfits for Sefton every single day now. He can just go grab what he wants to wear, put it on, and then we're good to go. So hope you guys found this helpful. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments, just list them below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.